We at Excedify believe that education is not the filling of a pot, but the lighting of a fire. Our mission is to create courses that make it a struggle for you to stop learning. Through a visual learning approach using graphics and animations, complex concepts can be made self-explanatory. Our instructors, who are world-class professors and industry leaders, actually take the time to assist your progress and give you individual feedback. After you successfully complete the course, you will receive a digitally verifiable certificate to prove your achievement that you can share and integrate into your LinkedIn profile. We want you to be fully satisfied with your experience with no pressure, so we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee period in which we will fully refund the course fees if you did not love it for any reason. No questions asked. What are you waiting for? Join Excedify and unlock your potential.